ところです。まずは持つところから始まります。
This is a steaming rice machine. Yeah, because as you know, Japanese sake use Japanese sake makes by rice and water. That's why steaming rice is very important.
See, that's why I need a Japanese wife, so I can have Japanese kids.
あ、こんにちは。よろしくお願いします。こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。お世話になります。
はい、どうぞどうぞ。
Some sake for 1,000 euros. Well. This is just like nuts from my mouth.
30 years ago, they used a big cotton as a big bag and more natural way to filter sake. But nowadays, they use technological big machine. Yeah. By the way, this is a sign of God of sake. Yeah. In Kyoto. Yeah. So near Arashiyama, so maybe you guys already visited Arashiyama bamboo forest area. Yeah. So the God of sake lives near Arashiyama. Yeah.
It's a person.
How can I say? So we believe everything at the spirituality. So no something like a person, just the spirit. Yeah, spirit. Yeah.
毎年お酒を仕込む前に、大体お酒の仕込みが寒い時期の11月から4月にかけて仕込む。
はい。
その前にお酒を勉強して、
はい。
一升瓶のケース
はい。
勉強して、祈祷してもらって
あ
っちに行くともっと大きな大きさが。
これ祈祷しましたの証なんですね、これ。よくわかった。Now I understood why Japanese Shinto shrine have a lots of sake barrel, because sake factory before making sake, so donate the sake. So lots of sake donate to the Shinto shrine, and because yeah, you can see the Shinto, yeah, something religious wooden bowl, right? Something on it. Yeah. Don't trade. Oh, do you want to make good sake? Okay, give me sake. Yeah. Japanese Shinto shrine like Yakuza.
Do they drink the sake actually in the shrine, or it just stays there? Because you see a lot of barrels.
Yeah, so because Japanese people, Shinto shrine use sake a lot. Because Shinto shrine basically celebration place, the wedding ceremony and the birthday. So that's why many good celebration organized. So
and they use sake that was given by the sake factories.
yeah.
I also saw soy sauce. Shinto shrine.
Yeah, I think so because sake making is a really important rice harvest and water spring. So no one knows how big amount of rice and how good quality rice we can get every year. That's why so the sake factory people kind of play for the good harvest and get spring for making high quality water. Even making sake is really sensitive. That's why really nobody knows. It's really difficult to make a stable taste sake. So that's why people need God's help. So that's why every year they bring a lot of sake to Shinto shrine, and Shinto shrine monk play for best harvest and the best making sake.
The question is, does Shinto monks drink the sake?
Ah, I see. I think so.
That's why there's so many barrels.
Yeah. はい、ありがとうございます。
じゃああっちに。
はい、let's move to the other.
今から行くところがお酒の仕込むところで一番大事な場所で、
はい。
足元は危ないんで気をつけてくださいと。
Next room. Maybe sleepy. Yeah, I think so. しゃぶしゃぶ。おっぱいもみもみ。
尻もみもみ。
久しぶり。
久しぶり。
Long time no explanation about how to make sake. That's why I want to help us. Yeah, very sensitive. Kind of clean room.
Who is this guy over here?
I think it's political party, the leader, the second largest political party leader.
He's like
I forgot the name. This guy.
Japanese.
Sorry, I'm not interested in politics.
Me either.
That's good.
I like these pretty hugs. Makes me mad.
Yeah.
So like
Don't let go.
Go to your
Never
yogi
ever
park.
again.
Go to your yogi park. There's a lot of them.
a lot of free hugs.
Yeah, most of foreigners kind of get the hugs from Japanese people.
That's hot. Yeah.
That's a difficult process. Socks?
Right.
Wear socks?